climate change is the single biggest long-term threat facing small island developing states. And its impact on the water resources are of grave concern for all people, but not all people are being affected differently. Individuals, households, and communities all have different vulnerabilities and capacities to cope and adapt. However, it is women, children, the elderly, and the poor who are the most vulnerable. And as a result, I wanted to come up with a low-tech, sustainable, and low-cost solution to address this water vulnerability problem. And so I came up with the idea of the ferrocement biosand rainwater barrel. Now, ferrocement and biosand filters have been used for a very long time, and they are actually being built in developing countries all over the world. However, what is different here is that I've combined the two into one simple rainwater harvesting system. So ferrocement is simply cement with a particular cement to sand ratio, and this is reinforced with steel and chicken wire. And the combination of these two materials is ideal because cement is great at withstanding pressure. So if you're thinking of the Caribbean, think of hurricane force winds, whereas steel is great at withstanding tension forces, so think about earthquakes, etc. And once water has been stored, it is prone to become contaminated by microorganisms and also debris. And the biosand filter is very good at solving this problem. The biosand filter is basically a container which contains layers of clean sand and gravel, but these are all put in the filter at different particle sizes, as you shown here. And the upper layer basically traps pathogens, and pathogens are microorganisms in the water which can make you sick. As the water filters through and it comes out at the bottom layer, it is clean and safe for drinking. You may have heard last year of the destruction that was caused in the Caribbean as a result of the hurricane season. There are still communities in Puerto Rico, Dominica, and Barbuda with no access to piped drinking water. This is me actually constructing a prototype of the tank in Grenada last year in November. This is a simple technique. It is low cost, it is sustainable, and it is affordable. And I think that if it is implemented widely across small and developing states, it can provide a solution, a logical solution to the water